In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create your Amazon affiliate marketing program step by step. Let's get into the video. So we are simply going to search for Amazon affiliate. Once you're there, you'll see the first site. You click on the Associate Center, which is going to take us to their main page. Once you're here, you can simply choose the country in which you want to create your Amazon affiliate marketing program. So you can see the various countries that you want to sign up for. So that's it. So I'll simply choose what? US. After that, I'll click on what? Sign up. Once I'm here, if you already have an Amazon account, you can simply log in, but I'll simply click on what? Create your Amazon account. Once I'm here, I'll simply insert my first name. After that, the email address I want to use for this account. After that, I'll simply need to insert the password. So I'll make it should be automatic. After that, I'll click on create your Amazon account. So after that, I'll simply need to insert the OTP code. So I'll check my email address. Copy it and place it here. Click on what to verify. After that, I simply need to add a telephone number. So Cameroon, after that, I'll click on add mobile number. So they'll send me an OTP code. Once you get the code, you simply need to insert the code. Click on create your account. So guys, once you get to create your Amazon associate account, you simply need to insert your name, that is your payment, your check ID name, or your bank account name. After that, you simply need to insert your first address. Make sure this information are correct. After that, your city. Once you scroll down, and you simply need to choose your country first. Cameroon. After that, you simply need to insert your state, your province, or your region. So center region, center province, sorry. After that, your zip code. You enter your telephone number again, so beginning from the country code. Insert the same number. So you can use a different number if you want. After that, if you want to use another person's information to collect your payment, you can simply use it here. That is, you can insert the person's name and the person's telephone number. But I'm going to leave it like that as listed above. Click on next. After that, you simply need to insert your words, your website or your YouTube channel. So I'm going to be inserting my website. So I'll simply copy the link, paste it here, or you can insert your YouTube channel as well if you want. After that, I'll click on what next. So you make sure you read this out. So I'm going to click on what no. After that, I'll click on confirm. So once you're here, you simply need to insert your store ID. So I'll simply insert Chris. After that, let me say Chris 237. After that, you tell us about your content. So on that site, I do tech review blog. It's a blog site. So I'll simply write news. I do tech review tech news and mobile comparison. So after that, once you are done with that, you simply need to insert what actually describe your content, that is your website. So I'm going to click on what block comparison. So all on block, sorry. After that, I scroll down and you simply need to tell them where you hear about them. So from the internet, that is on search, online search. After that, you simply need to insert this category you're seeing here, this character you're seeing here, sorry. But in your own case, it will not be the same character. After that, I'll click on I agree the term and conditions. Click on what finish. So guys, this is my Amazon affiliate marketing ID. I'll go to my email address. They have sent me confirmation letter. So guys, this is it. Thank you for applying to the Amazon Associate Program. I'm going to Chris. As you can see, this is it here. This is a confirmation email. After that, I'll go back there and I'll simply click on what? Enter your payment and tax information. So I'm going to click on letter. So guys, this is our Amazon affiliate marketing account. So we are just on creating. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.